Granny.
Rocket is ready for blast-off.
Wow! A rocket!
Yes! It's Grampy Rabbit's. He's kindly lent it to us for the day.
What excitement! I'll just get the rocket ready for its blast-off to the moon.
Granny, are we really going to the moon?
No, Peppa. It's just pretend.
Ah!
We are going to pretend the garden is the moon.
And do the things they did on the first moon landing.
We will plant a flag.
And we will collect moon rocks.
Just be careful of my rockery.
Don't worry, Grandpa Pig. We will be very careful.
Well, while you play your game, I think I'll make myself useful getting the tea and cakes ready. Have fun!
All aboard, everyone! 10, 9, 8, 7...
Oh, well, I suppose these harmless little garden games keep Granny happy.
3, 2, 1... We have liftoff!
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hold on, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud.
Oh my God! Buses.
Holy sh...
Oh my God!
Gee!
Yeah, Alex, hit the bus. Come on. No, we can't bring anything.